of Tinkering Lab at Chicago Children's Museum, and today we have a challenge of making a ramp that moves something from here to there. Our rules for our ramp are move something important. That's something you get to decide why it's important. You get to decide too, so you can tell the story of your ramp. Maybe you're going to move a friend to somewhere safe. Maybe you have a gift you want to give to somebody. It's up to you who you're giving that to and why it's important. 2, you're going to move that important something 6 feet and not drop it. It's an important thing, remember. So 6 feet might be a little bit longer than you think. So if you have a tape measure, it's good to measure out that 6 feet. If you don't have a tape measure, if you have a ruler, you might measure out a piece of string 6 times, and that string can be 6 feet long. Or maybe if you don't have that, you can find something that you can put end to end and measure 6 feet. So these shoes are about 6 inches long. 2 shoes equal 1 foot. So maybe I can have 12 shoes to show 6 feet. So for materials for a ramp, pretty simple. You want your important thing that you're going to move, a thing to measure 6 feet, and whatever you're going to use to make that beautiful ramp. I have 3 friends who are going to share their own here to there stories of their ramps. Let's check it out.
Hi, I'm Kyla, Director of Corporate and Foundation Relations at Chicago Children's Museum. Timmy, the tiniest turtle's birthday. His friends are all here. They have cake and ice cream, but the gift still hasn't arrived. Let's see if Timmy's gift makes it on time. It looks like the gift made it on time, but that was a bit of a bumpy ride. I'm going to change the ramp a little bit and try it again later.
I'm Camille.
Howdy there, I'm KJ.
Hola, I'm Ari. And this is Jared the Giraffe.
This is a green dodgeball that's made from rhino skin that was also made in Sweden.
This is Mike the Cow. Papa, we need you.
Hello.
Hi, I'm Sean McGuire, Tinkering Lead Facilitator at Chicago Children's Museum. And today my friend Macbeth is very bored and was looking for something fun to do, so I'm going to send a toy across the room to him.
As you can see, some of the ramps don't work just yet, but I know my friends are going to keep on trying and fixing it. We would love to see your own here to there stories, which you can share with us on social media and tag us at Chicago Children's Museum. Okay, everyone have a good morning, afternoon, evening. Bye-bye.